No, this second time when Jesus comes, it's going to be a worldwide event that will be undeniably noticed. Okay? Friends, if it plays out in our time period, because CNN will still probably be in business before I die, CNN will cover it. It'll be 24/7 on their channel. They'll be covering it. And by the way, they'll still have casters, news people to work it, because they'll be watching. They'll have heathen people behind the cameras watching as Jesus comes back. It's going to be upon all the news networks. It'll be covered on the blogs. The internet will be covering it. They'll be tweeting about it. It'll be pictures of it going up on YouTube, and videos will be going viral. It's going to happen. It's going to be a worldwide event. All will see it. I'm not talking about the rapture now. Some people think, well, what about the rapture? I thought that's, people are going to be taken up and people are going to wonder what happened to their brother, or wonder what happened to their sister, or wonder what happened to this person, and they're going to not know what happened. It's going to be like this bunch of chaos. No, that's the rapture. I'm talking about the second coming of Jesus Christ, when Jesus will publicly come to this earth. The rapture is going to be a secret. The rapture is going to come suddenly, like lightning out of the east. It's going to come suddenly with no warning, like a thief in the night. It's going to come instantly. One will be taken and one will be left. But when Jesus comes back, it will be so public. It will be so renowned. It will be so noticed that it will be undeniable what is going on. That's the kind of event we're talking about.